If you're like me and you saw the new V-Ray Blender announcement and wanted to give it a try, but you can't seem to find how to add fog to your scene, well, in this video, I'll show you how to do exactly that. So, the easiest way to add fog to your scene would be to just go to your world settings and click on this X, and then you'll have this button called New. Click on it, and it will give you this setup right here. So now, all you have to do is click on Shift A and search for Environmental Fog. Once you have it, it will be automatically connected to your scene. So now if you go to your render, you'll have something like this. And you can just adjust the settings from here. And you can adjust more settings from here.